Good afternoon, students. In this video, I give you some rules and techniques for direct and indirect speech. Okay, direct and indirect speech. These notes you have to write in your English classwork in the grammar section. Okay. First, what is direct speech? The exact words of the speaker are quoted. For example, George said, I am getting late for work. So, this is a direct speech. What is direct speech? The exact words of the speaker. Example, George said, I am getting for work. I am getting late for work. Here, in this example, you can see some punctuation marks, right? They are comma and quotation marks. Here, the exact words are spoken by the speaker is in the quotation, right? So, this is the idea that you can understand, that is what direct speech. Next, indirect speech. The words of the speaker are narrated. In indirect speech, the words of the speaker are narrated. Example, George said that he was getting late for work. George said that he was getting late for work. Here you can understand the quotation marks and comma are removed. Understand? In the first, you have to notice that in the direct speech, George said, then comma should be there, then quotation marks, then in the ending, there should be full stop inside the quotation marks. Okay, full stop inside the quotation marks in the direct speech. Now, some rules and ideas about direct and indirect speech. Changes in tenses. Look here. In direct speech, simple present tense will become simple past. In indirect speech, you have to use simple past tense. For example, play, plays. That will be played in indirect speech. And do, does not play. Do or does not play will become did not play. Okay. Next, present continuous tense, that you have to change into past continuous tense. Okay. Present continuous tense. In indirect speech, past continuous. For example, is, am, are playing, was, were playing. Are playing will become were playing. Next, present perfect. In indirect speech, past perfect. Okay, present perfect. In indirect speech, past perfect. For example, has or have played. In past perfect indirect speech, had played. Next, present perfect continuous. In indirect speech, past perfect continuous. In direct speech, present perfect continuous should become past perfect continuous. Okay. For example, has or have been playing, had been playing. Next, simple past. Simple past in direct speech, but in indirect speech, past perfect. Okay, simple past should become past perfect. For example, played or did not play, had played, had not played. Next, past continuous, that should become past perfect continuous. Past continuous past perfect continuous. For example, was or were playing, had been playing. Next, modal verbs such as will, shall, can, may, must. That will become would, should, could, might, had to. Okay. Will become would. Shall will become should. Can will become could. May will become might. Must will become had to. Okay. Then one note that you have to know, that you have to keep in your mind, that is past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses do not change in the reported speech. Okay. Past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses do not change in the reported speech. So these are the techniques and rules of direct and indirect speech. You have to learn all these notes, techniques, and study and practice. Okay. In the next video class, I will be giving you some more examples with the explanations. Okay. Thank you.